Well, good morning. Just thought we would check in this morning and say hello. Looking forward to doing some math with you guys on Monday, starting I guess Monday. A couple things, IB people, if you haven't done your IAs, if you haven't submitted that to me, I think there's one or two of you, you need to get that to me. Apparently, we're going to have to submit all of our IAs to IB this year. So, yeah, go ahead and do that. Calc 1 and 2 folks, make sure you spread the word and get folks logged into that Google Classroom so we can run class. Basically, I got my Ladybug here. We're going to record some videos. Next week, we're going to start off with just a Desmos activity that I worked up dealing with logistic growth and coronavirus, in case I'm sure you're not surprised. Look forward to seeing all of you. Hopefully we can have some face-to-face hanging out time. I think right now it's really important that you and we as people are interacting with people. Bruno, do you have anything that you want to add? No? Okay. So Bruno and I are going to maybe go for a walk before it starts pouring down rain. I hear the thunder outside. Doesn't look, well, maybe it is raining, I don't know. But yeah, we'll be in touch. Look forward to seeing you guys on Monday.